filming. Oh, I'm filming. Oh my god. Oh my gosh, you can hear it. Look at it. Oh! So what is going on, guys? It's Alex back again with another video, and today I'm here with my boy Liam. How's it going? This is his fort, and Dylan. Come here, Dylan. So we're gonna do an overnight fort challenge, and let us give you a little bit of a preview what we got going on here in the setup. All right, so let's show you guys the setup. So we got, this is all, Liam, where did you guys get all this stuff?
Goodwill.
Goodwill, best place to find it all. So we got a TV, running some movies. We've got, we're gonna put some cots out here. Dylan's got the fire going. How's it going? There you go. And it's all built by these tin pallets and stuff. So we've got a lot of good stuff going. So yeah, good job, guys.
So we used to have a fort over way past our houses that's near a field.
Yeah.
But then the owner of the field posted a sign right in the middle of our fort that said posted private property. So we had to move all of that stuff. We brought it back here, made it even better for it. Super awesome, got a TV.
Yeah,
and that's the story of how. Yeah.
We're gonna try to put the lights on. We're gonna go to where it says private property and show you guys around and show you guys the field and stuff. So let's get going. Doggos. Oh my god. Are you filming? Yeah. There. Well before. There it is, guys. Right here. Posted. Thumbnail. We actually made a wax fire here.
Yeah, that's pretty
a little bit ago.
We want to tell that story?
Yeah,
Or?
Field's over that way.
Fields
Right there.
through there a little bit.
We've seen the guy who owns it like hunting before. One time we like walked up on him while he was in a deer stand.
Like, right after the rain too, which is pretty stupid.
And it was just super scary, so it's kind of sketchy to go out there because he could be like,
Hey yo, what's up, fam? Hey, what's up, fam?
Yeah,
Hey
sure,
yo,
just slice
want
them
some
open.
salt? Want some salt, fam? No, we finna let you live. All right, let's go. Let's go back.
we're going back, we're not going to the field.
Yeah, this is a little bit sketchy. Yep, so right now we're going back. I don't know if you can see me. I don't know if it's focused. But, yeah, so we're gonna go back right now and enjoy the fort, have a nice night, and hopefully see some cool stuff and do some fun stuff. So we'll see you guys back in the fort. I don't know if you can see it, but I have like
Yo, we're all caught up.
all these thorns in my pants. So now we're watching a movie. We made it back. Like, got really dirty shoes. And let's build that fire. Let's get a time lapse. Whoa.
Throw it in there.
No. Hey Liam,
Yeah.
you like jazz?
You like jazz?
You like jazz? We got vitamin waters. I just tried to get up to the top where Liam was before, and I just fell. So Liam's gonna get up there. I'm gonna hold him the hand on the camera, and yeah, he did that with ease. All right, I'm gonna give it off to you.
All right, come look closer.
So dope.
All right, wow, my eyes are really watering.
All right, let me grab it.
All right.
Nice. All right, so right now we're gonna do a Q&A real quick. So the first question we have is from Elena Bermudez. So how long did it take you to build the fort? So this is their question.
Well, first we started with kind of like a skeleton of like the wood and base layers, and then we just kind of laid the tent up against it, tied it down to secure it. Took about 4 or 5 hours, I'd say. Then we went to Goodwill and got some stuff to like decorate.
DVD player.
And that took a while because we had to make multiple trips, but so.
Yeah. All right, next question. So what camera do you use? So I use a Nikon D3300 with a Takstar mic and a wind diffuser. How long have you been making videos? I started about 2 years ago just making like fun little edits and stuff. And then I got really serious over the last past year, I guess. I got my big camera right there, did a lot of the GoPro stuff before, and got my Mac, so the editing quality has been a lot better. Alright, next question is from Megan Cunningham. How cool are you on a scale of 1 to 17?
I'm probably like a 10.
I'd say about a 10.
11.
11. Alright, so next question's from Bella Caputo, my sister. So, who's your favorite sibling? I don't have a favorite. You guys are both pretty cool, Cleo and Bella. That's it for right now. Quick shout out to my boy, Insult ATL. He does a lot of like shoe reselling and like hypebeast clothing and all that good stuff. So check him out on eBay and other selling and buying sites. Check out his apparel and stuff. So we're gonna show you the car. Like Liam just got a new car, so we're gonna show you guys. It's gonna be an official car reveal.
Gave it a little pink.
So, oh my gosh, what model is this, Liam? What?
The newest, of course.
What model is this?
Look at this door. Boop. Open right there. You cannot see out of the windshield. One of the seats is missing. That is because Kobe Graski threw it into the fire.
Wow, let's get some cinematics up.
Yeah, look at that bottom.
Wow, what a great car.
Craftsmanship.
How many people does it seat?
18.
I thought you meant the car! Oh no. He put the old Spice. Are you filming? Yeah, I'm filming. Oh, I'm filming. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Yo, I'll give you that light.
No. No. Liam, why would you do that? Why? Why would you put the old
I'll
Spice?
take one for the team, boys.
He's gonna. Oh no.
Wait, that's gonna make it worse.
I know.
No. Oh my gosh, I see it.
Oh, jeez.
Oh no. Oh, okay.
Is it on fire?
Oh no.
Oh no. Oh no.
Plastic is open.
Ah! Oh no. Oh my gosh, you can hear it. Look at it. Ah! Oh my god! Oh my god! That was like a ball! Oh my god! Oh my! I got that on film! Oh! Clean up the embers! Holy oh my god! Dude, your dad is gonna flip! Holy crap! I got that on film!
Yo, guys, we gotta start stopping this.
Yeah.
It's outside.
Yeah.
Yo,
Yeah,
you go
stop
get
on
water?
the embers.
Yeah. We're
Yeah.
good. Just a little mishap.
Go get water. Go get water. Go fill that up with water.
Oh my god. Oh my gosh, guys. That was freaking insane. Oh my, it's oh, it's catching on fire. Oh crap. Yeah, stomp it out. Oh my god. We're so dumb right now. Oh shoot. Oh Jesus. Okay.
What?
Okay, we're good. The lights just went out. My gosh. Yeah, apparently the storms are, ooh. I bet they'll go out. Ooh. Yo. Let's go. Wait, what? Oh, on the big tree?
That's probably just a lot.
Yeah, dude. Here, let's go.
Yeah, let's go inside.
Let's not.
Yeah, that's just.
Holy crap. Wow. Glad we're not in the fort. Yeah, really glad we're not in the fort. So what is going on, guys? So it is the next day, it's Sunday, and we actually had to sleep inside because of all the storms. Okay. All right, let's go back and see how the fort did. Well, the wall, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, look. Oh, snap. Oh, dude. Put the TV, oh my gosh, look at this. Oh! But the wood didn't break yet. All right, we're gonna rebuild. Time lapse of us rebuilding. So we pretty much got everything built back. We got this wall back up, which was good down before. We got that wall back up. We're gonna start making a fire because I don't know if you can hear it because the wind guard's pretty good, or it might not be. I haven't tested it out a lot, but yeah, it's a bit windy, so making fire is gonna be a little bit tough. It's also pretty cold. What do you say? It's like 50 degrees, 40, yeah, 45, 50.
I'm pretty cold right now.
It's pretty cold, yeah, and I'm wearing shorts.
It's
so
40s.
All right, so right now we're working on a fire. And let's go look for some twigs.
No way.
Yo, look at that.
Yo.
Yo.
That's crazy.
That's our old spice camp. All the way. Holy cow.
Look at the plastic.
Now look at.
Oh, it's like molded into it.
Focus. Whoa. Alright, Dylan.
I'm leaving, boy.
Bye, Dylan.
Alright.
I might
Thanks
be
for
back.
hanging out with us.
No problem.
It's been lit. Alright, so right now we're walking down to the sewer.
Oh, I really hope
It's got the mic on it, so. Yeah, I'm just gonna go in the water. You have boots on. Just get in the water, that's what I'm doing.
Oh, yeah.
That's so. Oh. Oh. Echo! Whoa. Wait. Super echoey. Quick little adventure. Our shoes are soaked. My shoes are soaked. Peep the river fives. The creek 11s. Peep. So we're back right now. Our feet are like super cold. Again, it's like 45, 50 degrees out. All right, so this is the end of the day. It's been an awesome day. I'm gonna throw my stuff in the car. Didn't do an outro. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys like this video. We've had a lot of fun. The fort's really awesome. Thank you, Liam, for having me, and like it's just been an awesome night. And despite the bad weather, we still made it the most of it inside and stuff. So I hope you guys like this video. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.